This is going to be how to make an origami boat. So, to first start, you are going to take the top and fold it down. For this, you are going to need a piece of printer paper. So this is not square origami paper, this is actually printer, it's rectangular. Okay, so you're going to take this and fold it like this. Make sure the fold is really good, and you can unfold it. Fold it this way. Make sure to crease it well, and then unfold it. Okay, so now you're gonna fold it back down this way. And after you have it here, you're gonna take this and fold it down right onto that line. Take the other side and fold it right next to the first one. Okay, so now you're going to be taking this, folding it up, okay, flip it over, fold it up. Okay, so now, after you have it like this, go ahead and open it up and fold it this way. So after you get it right here, you're gonna lift one of these up, put the other one underneath it. Let me show you that again. So lift one up, put the other one underneath it. Okay, so now that you've done that, you are going to you're gonna take this, put it up here, flip it over and do the same thing. So take it up, match it, and increase it. Okay, so now we're going to take this triangle, open it up like this, like we did before, squish it down. Then we're going to be taking one of these flaps and pulling on it. So once we do that, we're going to grab the other one and pull them both. You should pull it out something like this, and then you're going to want to take this on the inside and crease it over a little, and then just take this, and right where you see that end inside there, that's where you're gonna fold it. So just give it a little crease just so it holds, and then do that to the other side. And you should have an origami boat. So another thing you can do is fold it up like that, give it a crease right there, and open it up. So now you have your origami boat. Should we see if it works? Let's go test it. Okay, so out here next to my pool, I got my origami boat, and let's test it. So it kind of fell over, but it does float, and it's driving away. It's sailing away. So that's the origami boat. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video, guys.